Welcome to CAD with Mr. Yu. Okay, good. So we're going to divide the line AB into 12 equal parts. You could have used your two set squares and a compass to divide the line. So let us go on. So we're going to draw a line from, you're going to turn on object snap to pick up this point. And we're going to draw a line, any angle, any length. We're going to put it about there. All right, enter. So this line AC, let me label it C. Enter, enter. This is C. All right, so what we're going to do now, we're going to come up to our arc. And we're going to mark off. So we're going to go here. Then we're going to make the radius 10. And we're going to mark it. So that's the first one. Going to come again. This is the second one. 10. All right. Going to come again. So you would open your compass to any radius. 10 millimeters is a good radius. 10. Enter. All right. We'll come again. So you're going to use the same radius that you used to mark the first one, which was 10. So that's how, and 10 is just a convenient number for us, right? So we're going to come again. Start, center, end. The radius is 10. We're using the same radius. Right? So we'll come again. Of course, there's another way to do it, but we're doing it this way for today's class, all right? All right, so we'll come again. Start, center, end. Enter. Come again. Center, start, end. So we go center there. Radius 10. All right, so we come again. Start, center, end. Start, center, end. 10. Radius 10. All right. Now, if we want, we can label these points going down, okay? So we're going to go to single line text, and we're going to make the height we're going to turn off object snap. I'm going to choose, so we go single line text, choose here, and the height will be 4 millimeters. So this will be 1, 2, this will be 3, or this will be 4, this will be 5, this will be 6, this will be 7, this one will be 8, this one would be 9, this one would be 10, this one will be 11, this one will be 12. All right? We can actually move The 11 is too close, so to the arc. So we're gonna move 11, 11, enter, base point. I'm gonna move it right here. Likewise, we're gonna move the 2 and the 3. So I'm gonna move this, enter. We're gonna move this, enter. We're gonna move this. We're gonna move the 4. We're gonna move the 5. We're gonna move the 6. All right, that looks a little bit better now. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna join the last division, which is 12, the intersection there, and join it to point B. Enter. What you're gonna do now, you're gonna take two set squares, and you're gonna slide it parallel to the line. You're gonna slide the line B12 parallel to the intersection of the arc at 11. All right? How we're going to do it on AutoCAD, we're going to copy it though. So there are different ways. So we're going to select the line, press enter. We're going to select down here, I'm going to come like this and copy. So what we're doing, we're drawing a line parallel to the line B12, enter. What we're going to do now, we're going to trim these extra lines going beyond. If you was using a T-square, we would let them stay. If you was using the traditional instruments, these would be construction lines so they could stay. But because we're on AutoCAD, we're going to remove them. All right. So this is how we go to trim and we just go like this and it will be removed. All right. All right. So what we're going to do now, we're going to draw this line going across, which is represent the center. All right. Which is O. So we're going to go line from here and come over to there. Enter. Okay. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to draw. So let us number these points going around. All right. So this point will be 0. So let us leave it. Single line text. So this point would be 0 in our case. And we'll leave here 0, 2. 0. All right, so we're going to label this point 1. This point would be 2. This point would be 3. This point would be 4. This point would be 5. This point would be 6. This point would be 7. This point would be 8. This point would be 9. This point would be 10. This point would be 11. And this point would be slash 0, 12. All right. And let's move All right, so we're gonna move. All right, so that's it. We're gonna move the 11 also, and I mean the 10. Move, enter. We're gonna move 11. All right, good. So we have come to the end of part 2 of the series of videos covering the topic cycloid. In the next video, we'll be constructing the tangent and normal to the cycloid. We thank you for joining us. Take care until we meet again. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.